So hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a delicious recipe for a creamy maple and bacon chicken that's sure to be a hit with the whole family. This dish is the perfect balance of sweet and savoury with crispy bacon and a creamy maple sauce that will have your taste buds singing. It's simple to make and can be on the table in less than 30 minutes. So grab your aprons and let's start cooking. Now first of all, we're going to spray a pan with some low calorie cooking oil. We'll pop that onto a medium heat, and to that we're going to add 1 sliced onion, 4 cloves of crushed garlic, 4 smoked bacon medallions, and then we're going to cook that for about 5 minutes just until the onions are softened. So now that the onions are soft, I'm going to add 700 grams of diced chicken breasts, 2 tablespoonfuls of white wine vinegar, 1 tablespoonful of Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to give that a good stir around, and I'll let that cook for another 5 minutes just until the chicken starts to take on some colour. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and watch to the end of the video for further videos. Now that the chicken's taken on some colour, I'm going to add 2 tablespoonfuls of maple syrup, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of mustard powder, and 200 millilitres of good quality chicken stock. We're going to give that a good stir around. We'll bring it to the boil, and then we'll turn it down to a simmer, and we'll let it simmer for about 15 minutes. So after about 15 minutes, as you can see, our sauce is thickened. It's more like a glaze now than a sauce, and we're just going to check that the chicken's cooked through. So you can do this in one of two ways. You can either break up a couple of pieces of chicken just to check that there's no pink inside and they're fully cooked, or you can take a meat thermometer. You can just pop it in and make sure that the meat's above 75 degrees centigrade. Either way, as long as the chicken's cooked, it's time to set it to the side, take it off the heat, and now we're going to add some cream cheese. So now to add that touch of creaminess, we're going to add 180 grams of low fat cream cheese, and we're just going to stir it through until everything's covered. Now once the cheese is fully incorporated, just check it for seasoning. If it needs some salt and pepper, you can always add some. So now that it's cooked, it's time to serve. Now I've just served mine along with some steamed vegetables. You could do this with some rice or with some potatoes. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my further videos.